Hello, hello, cravings! So, ayan guys, sa
Wow!
mga nagkikrave dyan ng chocolate cake, gawin nyo na guys dahil napakasarap ng cake na to guys. So, dinaig pa natin yung sikat na mga cake shop dito dahil homemade is the best. So, ayan, in-gather ko lang lahat ng mga dried ingredients like yung ating flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, at yung ating salt. So, isisifted po natin siya guys para mamaya pag na-mix natin doon sa ating wet ingredients is wala kang makikitang buo-buo or lumps. So, ganyan lang. Napaka-easy. And then, imimix natin ng maigi para mag-combine lahat. And then, kailangan natin ng 1 cup na fresh milk dito. So, room temperature lahat yung ating gamit. And then, yung ating 2 cups na granulated sugar. And then, ayan, syempre yung ating 2 large eggs. At ayan, in-add na rin natin yung ating milk. At yung ating 1 cup vegetable oil. At yung ating 2 teaspoon vanilla extract. At then, gumamit pala tayo ng stand mixer dito guys. Kung wala kayong stand mixer, hand mixer. Kung walang hand mixer is, pwede naman mano-mano. And then, ayan, dahan-dahan natin i-add yung ating granulated sugar at ibibit natin hanggang mag-creamy. So, ayan guys, na-add na rin natin yung ating mga dried ingredients doon sa wet ingredients. So, dahan-dahan lang natin i-add guys para wala tayong makitang lumps mamaya. So, napakabango ng ating cocoa powder. Napakasarap na guys. And then, ayan guys, kailangan din natin ng 1 cup boiling water dito para yung ating butter is maging thin, gaya niyan. Napakabango. And then, in-brush na natin guys yung ating cake pan ng butter at nilagay na natin yung ating chocolate butter dyan. And then, in-preheat lang natin ng 350 Fahrenheit and in-bake natin ng 35 to 40 minutes. So, depende guys, lagi nyo i-check yung cake nyo kung ready na. Then, ayan guys. So, syempre, hintayin muna natin na mag-cool yung ating cake bago natin ika-cut. So, ako guys, in-cut ko sa gitna kasi maglagay po tayo ng frosting. So, gumamit ako ng chocolate ganache dito. Ipapakita ko rin kung paano ko ginawa guys. So, ayan. Yung aking ginamit is yung ating bars na bakers. Yung ginagamit mag-bake ng German cake na chocolate cake. So, ayan, in-chop ko lang siya guys. And then, yung 1 cup na chocolate chips at yung 1 cup na double cream. So, ayan, pinainit ko lang yung double cream at nilagay ko na yung aking mga chocolate chips at yung aking chocolate bar. And then, syempre kasi mainit yung ating double cream guys. So, ang chocolate is magmimeltla siya kusa. So, ganyan, gaya ng itsura na yan. At ayan, ready na natin ilagay yung ating frosting. So, napakasarap kasi double chocolate eh. So, mahilig kasi talaga ako guys sa chocolate. Kaya lagi akong nagbe-bake. Pero hindi lagi-lagi, I mean, yung parang mga once a month. Parang gusto ko lang. And then, ayan, nag-toppings lang tayo ng strawberries. So, optional ito guys. Kung wala kayong available na mga strawberries is nasa inyo po kung lagyan nyo. So, ayan, looks good. So, sobrang bango nito guys at napakasarap ng cake na to. At ayan, ready to try na.
Wow!
So, slice na natin yung ating cake. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung layer niya at yung ating chocolate ganache is napakasarap. Ayan, so itry nyo na guys gumawa nito. Napaka-easy lang. So, napakasarap guys. Grabe. Sobrang sarap na. Yan lang po guys for today's ganap. Thank you so much. Bye!